I did consent, and often did beguile our tears. When I did speak of some distressful stroke that my youth suffered.
Do you perceive in all this noble company where most you owe obedience?
My noble father, I do perceive here divided duty. To you I am bound for life and education. My life and education both through learning how to respect you. You are the lord of duty and I am hitherto your daughter. But here's my husband. And so much duty as my mother showed to you, preferring you before her father.
Child, then get it!
More.
Then he goes. And we see the effect, but not the cause.
Stings of unbidden lust. Well, if I take this, then you call not to be a sight of sight. It cannot be! It is really the loss of the permission of the will. Drown thyself, drown cats and dry puppies. I have professed me thy friend, and I could win. And I could never better stand in thee than now.
Back to box, back to box. Back to box.
Put money in thy...
Yes, yes.
I say...
Be a little close. Back, please step back, please. No, sit there, back to yes. So, put some money in your purse. Don't hurt.